Hey there, this is an update to my previous video that I made about the first gen Nano iPod replacement program. They have changed it, so it used to be that you would get a 6th generation iPod Nano, and as of the 7th of April, there was much suspense. You open it up, it looks like this, same sort of form. Box still looks about the same that you got, but let me peel back the sticker, open it up. I didn't just do a switcheroo, that's still the same box. You now get this little adapter and the 7th generation iPod Nano. And there's that right there. So now you know that you won't be getting the smartwatch looking one. You'll be getting more of a traditional looking Nano when you sign up for the 7th generation, for the 1st generation iPod Nano replacement program. Alright, hope that helped anybody who is wanting to try out the program, but that's all for now.